What's good, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, welcome. Hit that subscribe button. If you guys are a returning subscriber, what's good? What's poppin'? What it do, baby?
Yeah, that girl, she got on my clone. I told that little girl that she got it, she's do better. Are you serious? I swear my money is serious. Okay, all my checks, I just be clearing it. She suck my dick and she get delirious. Okay, jump on the jet so I'm clearing it.
Yo, welcome back. Welcome. Happy New Year. Happy 2020 or whatever. I know I'm a little late or whatever. But I've really been waiting on this big arrival and I'm finally here and happy to share it with you guys. I don't even know what to say. I'm like mad ecstatic. I haven't recorded a video in like forever. The last time y'all saw me was my what I got for Christmas video. If y'all want to still check that out, the link will be in my bio. So I know the main reason y'all clicked on this video was because of the title, of course. That is the main thing. Like, that's the main reason why I pretty much stopped doing YouTube videos for a little bit. I wanted to take a little break and also wait until I get my ring light. So I finally got my ring light. I'm just so excited, y'all. This has been long awaited, mainly for me. I was gonna wait till February to start posting more videos, but I had the money right now, so I was just like, let me stop stalling. My subscribers wanna see me. So we about to just come back with mad videos, like so many content ideas. I have so many content ideas. I stopped working, but I didn't stop working, if you feel me. So without further ado, let's get into this unboxing video. You wanna play with me? You wanna play with me? Nah, but we about to unbox this. I'm so excited, yo. I said that about like 5 freaking times. But we about to unbox this. Yo, first of all, I just want to say, they sent me this big old box, right? To put a smaller box inside. So you told me to choose. You know what? As long as I got my baby. Oh, and it come with a little, okay, I see you traveling. Oh, shit. Traveling teams or whatever. I'm just going to get this big old box off my bed now. Okay, the way I'm just throwing this thing, I hope it's okay, because the way I'm throwing it, it's really not okay. Okay, one box. Ooh, 2 box. I don't know what this is, but it comes with that. It comes with some cords. And then, ooh, come with another one of these things. So I'm just going to put this right here. Okay, so right here, this right here is pretty much what my phone goes on. This, I guess, is for like, to start the video, but, yeah. So like, if you're sitting back, you just click in and it starts the video. Here are the cords. I've seen these on the YouTube channels or whatever, but here are the cords that you plug in to make the thing light up. I gotta stop throwing stuff. I'm gonna do this last. I'm gonna do my baby last. Then here, right here is the tripod. Ooh, this joint big. Ooh. I don't know what this piece is. I don't know. I gotta watch a couple YouTube videos to figure out how. Ooh, this joint long, baby. God damn. This baby long. Now, to be honest, I probably just broke this thing, bro. How the heck? let's see what this does. But you know what? I'm gonna stop touching and I'm gonna just watch a YouTube video on how to set this up. Cause listen, oh, what did I just do? Bruh, what the hell did I just do? Oh, okay, got it. Boom, baby, I ain't break it. So, yeah. And now I guess this is the ring light in here, and it comes in this nice little bag that says Neewer. So let's see what they got in. Excuse my voice. Okay. I see what I'm working with. Hold up. So this right here is the ring light. And this obviously, oh, do I get it still? No. I'm guessing, y'all, I don't even know. But this right here is the ring light, as y'all can see. And I'm guessing, I don't know how none of this stuff works. Oh, this might be what it goes into. All right, and also that comes in the bag are, here are the shades that you can put on the light to make the light darker. You can dim it and all that type of stuff. If you want like a warm light and like a luminescent, y'all, I don't even know if I'm using the right words. Also in the bag, they got, you know, the little packing list, what everything comes inside. A little thank you note for buying it. And instructions. Yeah, this is definitely what I need. Definitely, because as y'all can see, I don't know what I'm doing. So yeah, I'm about to go look at a YouTube video real quick and try to figure out how, you know, to do this, and then I'm gonna test out the lightings, and I'm gonna give y'all my full review. So y'all, I'm back, and I'm just gonna be telling you guys a little bit of information about this ring light if you guys would like to purchase it or, you know, recommend it to somebody. Y'all know that the brand is Neewer, and I got the 14-inch LED ring light. It does come with a traveling case if you guys want to put the ring light itself in, and also it comes with a traveling box with a handle so that you can take it, easy to pack away and all that. The price was $67.99, and it's because I'm thinking that it's because it's the smaller version, but it still works the same, bright and all that. With tax and stuff added, it came up to $72, which isn't that bad, because yeah, I wanted the 18-inch, but I felt like the 14-inch probably, like, it's the same thing but just smaller a little bit. So yeah, and plus I saved like good $40, so you know, we love to see the deals. It came in one day, because you know your girl got the Amazon Prime, but it literally came in one day. I ordered it yesterday, which was the 23rd. Today is January 24th, and listen, it's here. It's back. We better than ever. I'm happy as heck because my lighting is gonna be so much more better. The content is gonna be so much more better. Like, I'm honestly just so much more happier now that I have a ring light. It's like, it motivates me more to do more videos. I mean, I obviously have content ideas, but it's gonna make me more happier because it's like I finally got one thing checked off my list that I wanted to get this year, and you know, we going big, or we going home, you feel me? So now I'm about to show you guys the whole thing, and then after that I'm gonna just show you guys how it looks on me. So y'all, this is pretty much the ring light. It goes really tall, as y'all can see, and it even goes taller, but I didn't put it taller because I didn't want it a little mad high. It'll be mad high up there. But yeah, and this is where I connect my phone, or if you take this off, you get a camera, you could put it on here, and it's really sturdy. This is where the light gets connected, like for power, and you know, and I have it connected through there. behind here, this is where it gets turned on, as y'all can see. So boom, now I'm about to show you guys, you know, how it looks with me on camera. So you guys, this is pretty much me without any ring light on, any light on. I got my lamp on over there, but it's like shaded by my desk. So now I'm about to turn on the ring light. So yeah, get a little sneak peek of what my video's gonna look like. Ooh. Y'all see that light, and that's not even the brightest, but I'm not trying to blind myself right now. That's the brightest, and literally I can barely see myself, but it's mad bright. This is probably the setting of the lighting that I'm gonna use it on for most of the time. I'm gonna try to get a different backdrop because I don't really like this one. But yeah, y'all can see all my freaking blemishes. Don't judge me. So y'all, I just want to thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys have any ideas of what kind of content you guys want to see, just comment down below. I'm open to literally anything. I want to start doing more girl talks, get ready with me's. I got a whole bunch of challenges, pranks, and just a whole bunch more content ideas, but it'll be better if like you guys tell me what you want to see, so it's easier for me to like tend to y'all needs it. If you know what I'm saying, you get where I'm trying to go. Okay, but I will see y'all in my next video.